Welcome to Series 2 of SEPAL Solver. In this series, we'll walk you through powerful simulations that shows how mathematics and engineering bring complex systems to life. Firstly, the six-linked bar mechanism, an advanced linkage system that helps us understand how multiple interconnected parts work together to produce controlled and flexible motion. Secondly, we have the ship roll at sea, a critical study of how vessels tilt from side to side and how engineers predict and manage this motion to ensure stability, safety, and comfort. Thirdly, we have the chaos of a double compound pendulum where a simple mechanical setup produces highly unpredictable motion, a perfect example of real-world nonlinear dynamics. Fourthly, we have the three double pendulums with different masses to see how small changes in mass completely transform system behaviors. And finally, the pack transformation, a key mathematical tool that simplifies the analysis and control the three-phase electrical machines. With SEPAL Solver, we deliver intelligent solutions, turning complex systems into clear, practical simulations that support real engineering decisions. So contact us today via the email on your screen or visit our website at www.cypherpresent.com for more information.